That looked like I was going downstairs. Did it look cool? How about this one? Escalator. That was so cool. Wait. Oh, make room for me, please. Ready? Yo, I used to practice that when I was younger after watching Austin Powers. Is that where that's from? I think that's where that's from. Anyways, so welcome back. You are looking so scrumptious and beautiful and gorgeous. And did I ever mention that you're just like the most amazing person in the world? And you mean everything to me? Because you do. And I'm still sick. I am suffering from the worst cold of my life, but I am here for you always. And I'm ready to react to some hair extension videos. And believe me, I am a big fan of hair extensions. Ever since I can remember going to Sally's Beauty Supply and touching hair extensions for the first time, and then continuously making all of my friends around me get hair extensions, all I want to do is go over their house and put the hair extensions in their hair. For some reason, like, I just thought it was so cool that you could transform somebody's hair in like 5 minutes and make it like 10 times longer than it was before and give you so much more hair to play with. And like, what is better than that? Name one thing, just name it. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Couldn't name anything. No, you couldn't. So today we're gonna be watching people get some major hair extensions. So let's get started watching them. Let's do it. Up first, we have a girl named Eden the doll. She's well known for her controversies online and her very long Rapunzel-like hair. Eden, hi, how are you, girl? And if you didn't already know, I am friends with Eden, and she has no idea that I'm making this video right now. So why don't we trash on Eden to start this video?
So say goodbye to my current hair.
Bye. Get rid of that.
Current situation.
Eden. What was going on? Can we do a little hair brushing before we go to the salon, maybe? Girl, whoa, Eden. There's a lot going on here. We got some black roots going on, a little bit of yellow banding, and a little bit of grown out hair extensions. I hope you're still friends with me after I'm done with this video, because I am so sorry how much I'm about to, you know, your life. But you know what? It had to happen at some point, so suck it up. Thanks. No, I mean, it's a little messy. It's nothing that you can't fix. So let's continue watching and see what happens.
That's how much my hair's grown.
Yes, growing hair.
You can see such a contrast because you go very blonde, but your hair's so black.
Eden's face looks different too. Oh, it's 2017. That's why. She got a lot more work done. I'm just kidding. I don't think she got any work done. I think she just changed her makeup. I think. We never know, but like, rumors started here. Bye. Oh my god. I've never seen Eden with her actual hair. It's short, girl. It is short. Also, can we just talk about these fingernails going on this hairstylist? Yes? Can I get more of that? And a lot less of this hair going on right now? Thank you. Aww, her hair looks so cute short. Wait, Eden, your hair looks so good short. Okay, A, your hair looks mad healthy in this video. B, the length is really good on you. I'm not gonna lie, I like your Rapunzel moments, but the short hair looks really good. And like, I bet it feels good to just like, you know, get your hands in your hair and like be able to pull it without worrying about extensions coming out. Because I know you're a messy girl and your extensions come out all the time. But anyways, we need the fantasy, so like, let's put those extensions in. She's getting 32-inch hair extensions, by the way. That is like majorly long. Oh my god, that is like a human of hair. Oh my god. That she's trying to one-up me, huh? I better get 35-inch hair extensions next time. Okay, Eden, the doll, well, Brad, the doll is here to show you how it's done. Ew, that's so short. So like quickly touch up her roots and it's looking yellow. The Big Bird yellow, so a little toner and it should be good.
So far.
Woo! Yes! Get that white hair, get that white hair.
The color.
Woo!
Super freaking gorgeous.
It looks beautiful.
Mirabelle.
Oh my God. I don't do carrot tip hair extensions because it is the most painful process, to me at least. Putting every individual little thing in their hair just seems like the most torturous work. Like, nah, man, I'm good. I'll stick with tape-ins, like, and oh my God, Eden, you're so ridiculous. Like, name somebody more extra.
Almost done. All the extensions in her hair. And we're gonna put the last few.
You're such a loser, Eden. I hate you. Giggling because she's so excited about her extensions down to her knees. She's like, shut up. Stop laughing. Stop having fun, okay? How do you even deal with that much hair? I would have an anxiety attack every day. Okay, are you guys ready for the finished result? I'm gonna prepare myself, hold on. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my
And we're
God.
finally all
Seeing it in this video, like freshly done, is like different than seeing it in pictures.
the longest I've ever done, the most hair I've ever done on the block.
It feels like a blanket,
What? Wait, what?
yeah. So like I said, it has been 1 month. This is literally how the hair looks after I shower.
Listen, I'm gonna give it to you, and you take good care of your hair extensions from what it looks like to me. Like, it is not easy to make those things not tangle and become crazy and gross and matted. Holy crap, that is the most majorly long hair extension I've ever seen in my life. Listen, normally I'd say, I absolutely think these are way too long and way too thick and way too everything, but this is Eden, the doll we're talking about. It is just so her aesthetic and her that I can't do anything but love it. But anybody else doing this, please just stop, unless you can really pull it off and work it like Eden does. Eden, a round of applause to you. Wow, that was a really iconic hair extension video. Let's move on to another video. Our next video is by a girl named Charlotte Winslow. She is getting hair extensions redone. Okay.
It's Charlotte.
Hey,
And
hey,
sorry if
Charlotte.
I'm running kind of late.
Ah,
Today
she's
I'm
cute.
gonna take you guys along with me to get my hair extensions redone. So yes, this is not my real hair.
Oh,
It is hair extensions,
shook.
but I absolutely love them.
Thought
So
it was
I'm
your real
excited to
hair.
take you guys. Can you see them? They're like microbead style. So it's like attached onto my hair. But anyways,
I'm sorry, but there is no grosser look than hair extensions grown out on greasy hair. I'm just putting that out there. It is definitely not a look, and it's bad. It's really bad. You can see each individual hair extension. It's just, no. This is what I'm talking about. Ew. They look like little like dirty, just like dirty. Just like too much.
so this is my hair.
Oh
without
my,
any
wow.
extensions. It's a lot smaller.
Charlotte, listen. Charlotte, I'm curious to what's going on. You're a beautiful girl. I don't know if anybody's recommended to you, but cutting it really short, I think will help your hair grow, because what it's probably doing is just splitting off the ends and continuously breaking. I think you should do a really big chop. Maybe just wear like really dope wigs for a little while, start all over again. But I think you're putting maybe a lot of tension on your hair with the hair extensions and the bleaching, and you already look like you've, you know, not super thick hair. And maybe it'd be a good idea to lay off the extensions, but also, you know what? It's a look with the extensions. So I get it.
And we're gonna redo my root, then we're gonna put the extensions back. I mean, you guys say you like my short hair, but I'm not feeling it. I love my long
I'm not
hair
feeling it either.
so much more until
Let's put the
my
extensions
hair
back.
becomes that length. This is the look I'm gonna go for.
Ooh, fun. Do you know how badly I just want to jump through the screen and cut the last 4 inches off of her damn hair. I just want to go chop, chop, chop-a-roo, skip, scop, scop-a-doo, all through her hair. But however, when you have kind of that very fine hair at the ends and you're gonna get extensions, it does help with the blending. So I think that her hair looks, actually, now that it's all done, I think that it would look just so good short. I changed my mind again. It would look so good short because you just gave it a big chop and a nice blowout. Oof, oof, oof. But hair extensions are also really fun, so let's watch.
This is after about 3/4 of the extensions.
Why are they all
Look
crinkled?
like it. The reason why it looks just a bit frizzy at the top is because we had it in a ponytail while Carrington's straightening the hair. I feel like a princess. This is my hair after all of the extensions are put in my head.
Whoa.
So
Whoa. Girl, that was a transformation. I changed my mind again. I like the extension. Yeah. Yes, Charlotte. The extensions are popping off. It's always girls with blonde hair getting extensions. What is with that? Is it because all your hair is breaking off? We need to cover it up with extensions. All the people that I'm watching today, all are blonde. And I didn't do that on purpose. I would have definitely done somebody with brunette hair, but there was no crazy transformations with brunette hair. These blonde girls, they love their extensions. I should be getting some so I can compete with Eden the doll. And lastly, we cannot have a hair extension video without including, can you guess it? Miss Trisha Paytas. We can't. I mean, how am I gonna just ignore her like that? That would be just cruel to the hair extension society to not put her in this video because she is the queen of getting weaves. So let's watch her get a weave. A major weave. A major transformational weave.
But it's really taken out of me being out and about. You know, you think you feel fine at home and then you get out and about.
Me leaves the house. I just feel winded.
Prescription filled.
This is just too much for me. I can't be out here with these commoners.
I needed an emergency. This hair was
Oh
crazy. I slept on it wet.
my
Beauty bar, as you guys can see.
God.
I love it.
What is this look? This is actually kind of major. It's kind of like giving me New York Fashion Week vibes. Kind of into it.
What color is this? A white blonde.
Yes. Get that link.
I used to use the beach blonde.
Get that link. Yo, she came to me looking like that.
So I tried to get my takens back today.
I'd be like,
Can
can you come back when your hair look better, girl? Cause not trying to spend all day doing this. Oh, her hair's like,
showing this on
like-
camera, like this is like real, like this is a just flat iron
Ah.
in my hair. She did that so quick. I was like, how did you do that so fast? You guys saw my hair.
oh,
I
it
went to
looks
bed.
so much
She's like,
better.
"It's amazing.
That's
It's
so
good."
satisfying.
She's
Seeing her hair straight.
Look at it. She's like literally a doll.
Yes.
A Barbie with that hair. It's getting there.
See, that's what she needs in her life. Okay, Trisha, love the long hair on
So
you.
well.
Yes, never have short hair because the long hair is just so iconic and frames your face so well. Wow, isn't it amazing what a hairdresser can do? Thank God we're around to save the world from hair disasters. Yes, yes, this is so satisfying. Wow, I want to give hair extensions to everybody now. It's amazing how good it can make you feel to just get new hair or just transform your look. Like, it is so satisfying for both the person getting it done and the person doing it. It brought me pleasure just watching her do this. Thank you for putting this on the internet for me and the rest of the world to see.
Isn't it crazy the hair transformation? Like,
Oh,
this is like so insane. But why was that so
wow, today was just a satisfying hair moment video. I enjoy hair extensions more than a lot of things in life, and I don't know why. Something happened to me when I was younger with hair extensions that just made me love them so much. Do I have a hair extension fetish? Huh, maybe, or maybe. I'm just a hairstylist. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And leave a comment. Because your comments help me make enough money to buy more hair extensions. So thank you so much for watching. And remember to live your extra life and get hair extensions. And I will see you all next time. Peace out. Bye. Bye.